Hi, my name's Laura. I'm the Technical Product Manager here at WebDon. Today, I'll be giving you a brief overview of what our Partnerview site looks like. When you have your login created and your password set, this is going to be your login screen. Once you have all that information filled in, you'll click Login and it will take you to our homepage. On the left, we have our company information here. And on the top right, we have our branch, and this is going to be the branch that you are ordering from. So whatever territory you are located in, that is going to be the branch that you order from. And then you have your company name, your cart, your username, and then the logout button. We have our search by keywords tab here. This is where you can search for specific products. We have our products tab, quotes tab, orders, invoices, credit memos, and billing. We do have two separate videos for our customers. One is going to be our products video that goes over our products tab in detail and also goes over the quotes and orders button. And then we also have an accounting video that goes over our invoices, credit memos, and billing. So those will be out soon. And on the bottom right, we do have a contact us chat function where you can put in your name, email, and enter a question that you have for us. These will be answered within business hours. So it is outside of business hours. It will be defaulted to the next business day. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your sales rep and they will get in contact with you with any questions that you have.